I'm in a rainforest in Costa Rica on an aerial tram.
Yes, I forget to tell you, the cost of the project was $3 million.
Oh, wow.
And they bought the Tram in the United States, I think so. The idea was from the ski areas that we have, and that they adapted to rainforest.
Okay.
Here, well, we work more for persons that travel in cruises, but we offer the tour to other persons, other tourists that visit around Costa Rica. There is a company, Caravan. It's a company that travels in Costa Rica 10 days.
Oh.
They visit, so we receive groups of this company. And a lot of Costa Ricans visit Tram too. The thing with Costa Ricans is that
on a tram just
many
like
of them, they don't know Costa Rica.
Right.
They don't know the volcanoes. They only like to visit the beach. And the place that, yes, this is a characteristic of Costa Ricans. They don't know the volcanoes that we have, even the National Theater, the museums, they don't visit. They only like to go to the beach. But you were here 1 week, but we have more options, to visit volcanoes, rainforests, dry forests. This one is empty.
Yeah.
Today we don't expect many groups, Yesterday was 500 persons.
Wow.
Today it's only 3 buses. So.
And you said it was raining yesterday.
Yes, it was the moment that it's better today,
Where did the 500 come from?
The Limon. It was Carnival.
Oh.
And, Carnival and a cruise from Germany. Aida.
Wow.
There's a walking path down here. And we're on a gondola.
There is
like
a vine on the right side in the distance.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Those are the ones that I'm telling you that inside.